So in the previous video, we have seen how to calculate the optimum number of rain gauges value. Okay. So there are certain IS specifications which you should know. So just write it down. According to, or we can say rain gauges. So write the heading rain gauges network. Rain gauges network. So as per IS 4987 1968. So this IS code, it is given about the rain gauges network. In plain area, in plain region, there should be one station per 520 kilometer square. Okay, so in moderate elevated region, there should be one station per 260 to 390 kilometer square. So write down this average elevation up to 1000 meter. Okay, so this is the first one, second, and the last one is hilly area. So in hilly areas, there should be one station per 130 kilometer square. Okay, so you can see as the area gets elevated, okay, so the number of stations per kilometer square, it increases. So there is one more point here that you should write it down in note. According to WMO, what is WMO? Write in the comment section. At least 10% of rain gauge station should be equipped with recording rain gauges. Equipped with recording rain gauges. Okay, so these are the important points about the rain gauges network. So there is one more point, that is about the rain gauge station and the nearest building which is present to the station. So let's say this is a ground surface. Okay, so in this ground surface, there is a rain gauge station which is present here. Okay, now, so if there is any tall object which is present, like any building, then there will be some hindrance to the water, or we can say rainwater, which is coming here. So there has to be some minimum distance between the station and the nearest tall object. Okay, so there has to be some minimum distance here. You cannot just keep the rain gauge station close to an building or top building. Okay, so what should be the minimum distance between the station and the nearest tall object? So write down distance between station. See, this station means rain gauge station. Don't get confused here. This is not a railway station or some bus station. This is a rain gauge station. So distance between the rain gauge station and the nearest tall object, that is S minimum, it is equal to maximum of, so it is a maximum value between 30 meter or 2 multiplied by height of object, or we can say height of tall object. Okay, so this is the height of tall object in this case. So this is the formula for S minimum. So these are all the important points from the rain gauges network. See, these points are important. These are coming many times in the examination. So you should remember this. This IS code is not asked many times. However, these points like this 10% of the rain gauges should be recording rain gauges, and per area, per 520 kilometers square area, how much rain gauges is required in plain region? 1. So if you look carefully, you can just remember it as these are the multiples of 13 or 130. Okay, 13 ones are 13, then 26, 39 and 52. So you just try to remember it with that logic. So that's it with the rain gauges network.